Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now I'm need to look there for Lexmark. This here for Surya. You have type here the drive to look, and this why I'm search the VCL website for you. I'm like download the VCL website. The VCL website not a virus and easy to download for the VCL website. And this here for official website a free driver, free driver your connect printer. If you need a lot, click here for the VCL website, and this here for the printer is scroll down, click here for the title support, and this here for the new landing page, and this here for driver and tuner. This right, this here for your search by the face model. This here for the tag automatic your operating system and my operating system for Windows 10. If you make the operating system for the Linux or Macintosh, and this here for the tag automatic your USB, your the laptop, your the operating system, and this here for uh, the operating system version. Okay, and this here for driver recommended driver support printer and scanner. If you need to log, click here for button driver here download driver package, and this here for operating system all operating system for version for the Windows, and this here for Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1. This here for Windows Server support, you support a new version for Windows 11. And if you need to download, click here for button start download, and this here for your driver download. If you need install driver for the your printer, you turn on the power printer, you put cable USB printer to laptop or PC, laptop or PC, detect the USB cable printer, and please white finish refer the load. If you finish refer the load, you double click file, you click next, and you click finish. This here for the tag automatic USB cable printer. Okay, if you need a question, comment below. If you need link below description the video. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe my channel. See you bye next time.